Four on the gate, Endo Trailers. The gate swings out of the tip for the start. Ready, set, and they're off and trotting. And from in between horses, Keeping It Mellow gets the call, but to the inside, Jedi Claude Classic is there, and to the outside, getting away third, Blue Meadow Breeze. Slipping through the pylons there, your trailer in fourth. Ima's Good Looking, and then now off stride as they head down the backside, leading up there to the inside, Jedi Claude Classic, but pressing onward to the outside, Who Settlers, Keeping It Mellow. It's there now in second, and to the inside now with the pocket trip in third, Blue Meadow Breeze, and to the inside, Ima's Good Looking, your trailer in fourth. Trotters swing out of the turn and past the stands for the first time, and leading it there and off stride goes Jedi Claude Classic as he leads into the quarter. Quarter was in 40 seconds, and now leading it there to the outside, the lead change, Keeping It Mellow. To the outside, going for a drive, here comes Blue Meadow Breeze, and back to the inside, Jedi Claude Classic is underway from third. Ima's Good Looking is fourth. Down the backside they go to the final turn, and Keeping It Mellow by a length and a half. To the outside, Blue Meadow Breeze is there, pressing onward, and at the leader's wheel in second. And underway, Ima's Good Looking third. Out of the final turn, it's Keeping It Mellow. To the outside, Blue Meadow Breeze with a rush, and Blue Meadow Breeze powers on by to win it. Keeping It Mellow gets up for second.